Ideoli, we are passionate about the brand we are building and what it stands for.
We're on site at the factory right now, and it's pretty remarkable what's going on behind me.
The products we make can take several months, from concept to market, and the packaging we place them in often takes just as long to develop.
We're producing over 20,000 units of our new LED lighting fixture. Here's the packaging, absolutely top-notch.
Marketing is not a gimmick. It's what we use to express who we are and what we make so well. We are extremely proud of what we are bringing to market and the packaging that will represent the product. Stay tuned for more developments.